here I have this leather care kit by Leather Honey. Here we have the leather cleaner first and foremost. It is just in a plastic bottle. When you twist it off, the cap off, you're going to need to take off the safety seal first, so be aware of that when you get it. The safety seal comes off easy enough. You just peel it off. You don't need to punch a hole in it or anything. And there's not any fragrance to this one specifically, so be aware of that one too. And it is slightly bubbly on top. And then you'll just twist it back on. Here is what the rags look like. They're just out of a soft material, kind of grippy, just microfiber cloths with just serged binding towards the end here, just to help protect it from fraying. And then here is the conditioner. Now the conditioner, same thing. Whoop, there goes the cap. All you have to do is just peel it off. And I'm not detecting much of a smell on this either. And there you go. This was given to us as a sample. Bye.